Hi, this is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax in Clearwater, Florida. I'd like to share with you a 2019 Sea Ray 210 SPX, optioned with a blue hull and a toasted tweed bimini. This boat has a ton of upgrades with its dune interior, tan infinity woven carpet, and being powered by a white 200 horsepower Mercury Outboard, including sea deck on the transom. This boat has a capacity of 12 people and stands as one of the most spacious 21-foot boats you'll find anywhere for both passengers, seating, and storage. As you can see, the helm has easy to read analog gauges, which can also be replaced with various electronic packages if you desire. There is, however, a standard depth gauge. You can see the Fusion stereo system, complete with Bluetooth and 4 speakers. On the port side, you'll see an adjustable seat back that allows you to either be forward-facing as a dual helm or rearward-facing to converse with all your guests. The bow section includes more seating and storage, as well as 2 more Fusion speakers. And that completes this 2019 Sea Ray 210 SPX, a super fun and versatile boat to enjoy the water with friends and family. If you'd like to learn more, discuss pricing and options, or take this boat out on the water for a demo, please give me a call at 727-400-3799. Again, this is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax, wishing you a great day on the water.